Hi, welcome to my video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to edit image boxes inside of a photo template using Adobe Photoshop. So this tutorial just shows you how to edit the image boxes. I do have another tutorial that shows you how to add images into the photo boxes, as well as another tutorial that shows you like adding text and borders and different stuff to photo templates. This one is just to edit the image boxes. All right, so let's get started. I've already opened up a photo template. Here I have an 8.5 by 11 size photo template with 9 image boxes. So I'm going to show you how to delete some and show you how to size them to different shapes. So first I'm going to start at the top row, 1, 2, 3 up here. So I'm going to delete this third box, image box here. So I'm going to go over to the layers palette, 1, 2, 3, turn the eyeball on and off. You can see that's that layer. So I'm going to click on it. So to delete it, you can either click on the layer in the layers palette and hit delete, Command Z, or you can go down to the bottom and there's a trash can. You can click on delete layer, you can say yes, delete layer, and it's gone. So now I'm going to take this second image box and I'm going to stretch it over. So what helps is I want to have the guides up here so I can line it up with the other image box. So you're going to go View, Show Guides. Okay, so now here I have my guides. If you didn't have any guides there, you'd still go View, Show Guides, and then you would pull them from the top or the side here, from the top or the side, and you can place them wherever you want. It just helps to snap. They say snap to, like to snap the side, I guess, of the image box that you're sizing. It just gives you a guide, exactly what it's called, a guide or a ruler. So this template I already had set up with these guides, but like I said, you can add them as needed. So now I'm going to go to the second image box here, which is layer 2. Make sure you've clicked on layer 2. I'm going to go to the top toolbar and I'm going to say Edit, Free Transform, and it's just going to give you your guides. So then I'm going to hold the Shift key and click and drag to that guide. And then I'm going to hit Enter, Return, and there you go. Now you have a larger image box. So now we're down to 2 instead of having 3 in the top row. So now I want to, for the design I'm creating, I want to delete this image box here. So that's layer 4. I'm going to click on layer 4, and again, you can either hit delete, or you can go down to the bottom and hit the trash can and delete it that way. So I'm going to take this center layer, image box, layer 5, and go Edit, Free Transform. Again, gives you your handlebars, Shift, hold and drag, click and drag, brings it to the edge, hit Enter to place it. So now we're down to 1, 2, 3, 4 image boxes. And so here at the bottom, I want to change a vertical one here. So I'm going to delete this image box down here, or image box 9, layer 9. I'm going to click on it, delete that. This is layer 6, image box 6. And you can turn the eyeball on and off to see. And if you just want to not use some, you can just turn the eyeball off and not use that layer too, if you don't want to delete them right now and keep them for later just in case. Anyways, I'm going to click on layer 6. And again, I'm going to go to the top and go Edit, Free Transform. I'm going to hold the Shift key, click and drag, hit Return. There. So now I've kind of got a different layout than what we originally started from. So I can go to the history, go to the top. That's where we started. This is where we are. Completely different template. So it's fairly easy to kind of update or edit as needed if you have just the basic boxes in a template, and you can easily add more or not. Let's say you had a template that was like this, where it had one image box here and this larger one here, and you wanted to make 3. So what you could do is go over to the side, pull a guide, line up the guide with this here. So you want it to line up. So then you could go to layer 2, go up, go Edit, Free Transform, You want to hold the shift key again to keep it. And you can just click and drag. There, that would line up there, and hit enter. And so now you're like, oh, I want to add another image box that's this size to make it 3. So again, go to the left-hand side, pull a guide out, line up a guide. Control Z. Sometimes it helps. I'm going to click on layer 6 here to kind of have something to snap my guide to. There. So now I have that guide. So now there's a guide there and a guide there that gives you that like gutter in between the image box. So now what you could do is, so now you have layer 1, layer 2, and you want to make that exactly the same. Just click on that layer 2, hold and drag to the plus sign, and it'll make you a copy, or Command Z, or you can click on layer 2 and hit the plus. Nope. Click and drag to the plus sign. Sorry, there we go. Click and drag. So there you have layer 2 copy. And so then go back up, go edit, free transform. It's going to give you your handlebars. So now you're just going to click, hold down the shift key and drag it. And now you're dragging that copy and hit enter. So now you're back to 3 again. So see over here, you got 1, 2, and the layer 2 copy, which is the 3rd layer again. So now you've brought back that 3rd image box again. So you can do all kinds of stuff. It's fairly easy. Any style you want, delete, add new. So it's entirely up to your interpretation. And again, let's say you wanted, or you just want to get rid of one. Let's see here. And then you can add some text here if you wanted. Or you want to do, you can go to the top, pull a guide down, say like maybe like right here. Click on layer 8, edit, free transform, hold the shift key, click and drag, hit enter. There. So now I'm going to turn my guides off so then you can kind of see view, show guides. There. And then you can add a little text, or maybe you have a logo to put there, or however it is. Go Command Z, go back to that. So like I said, it's your interpretation. However you see it, you can create it. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to message me or put a comment in the video. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Again, I do have additional tutorials on my YouTube channel that show how to place an image into a photo template using Adobe Photoshop, and also how to edit borders, add or edit text, add drop shadows, size templates inside of the canvas, change the background, color or image. That's on a whole different tutorial as well inside my YouTube channel. So again, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.